Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your username on your Ubisoft account. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so go ahead and open up your Ubisoft Connect on your Windows 10 or 11 PC laptop. Then from here, make sure to log in. Once you're logged in, on the left, you'll see your username. Just click on your username and then we need to click onto settings. From here, click onto other. And then at the bottom of other, it says account management. Go ahead and click onto account management. This is going to take you to account.ubisoft.com. And this is where we can change our name. So on account information on the right, this is my public profile. Username tutorials27. To edit it, just click on the pencil and I can go ahead and edit my name here. And it does state you can change it no more than once every 30 days. So just simply delete that, put in your username. And username rules, you need 3 to 15 characters. Start with a letter. Only use letters and numerals and the following punctuation, underscore, dash, and period. Try to be unique. Duplicate usernames will be rejected. Don't use offensive words in username. Once you've chosen username, go ahead and click on change, and that's going to change it for you.